Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix audio not working, crackling, muffled, or stuttering sound in John Carpenter's Toxic Commando on PC. First, press Windows plus G to open Xbox Game Bar. Make sure the game is not muted and the correct audio device is selected. Next, check your Windows sound output in Sound Settings and select the right device. If the problem continues, restart the game or your PC. You can also change the sound sample rate. Go to Control Panel, Hardware and Sound, Sound, and left-click on Headphone. Then select Properties, Advanced tab, and set it to 24-bit, 48,000 Hz, then Apply and relaunch. Turn off spatial sound in speaker properties if needed, and disconnect extra controllers or USB devices. Finally, verify the game files in Steam. Right-click the game. Properties. Installed files. Verify integrity. One of these steps should help fix the audio issue. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.